Ever wonder how you decide what to wear in the morning? Is it going to rain or will the sun shine brightly? Decisions. It's a complex web we weave every day, without even realizing it. But what if there was a way to map out these decisions, to visualize the process? Enter the world of decision trees, a fundamental concept in machine learning. A decision tree can be used in various fields such as data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It is a powerful tool for making decisions based on a set of conditions or criteria. The structure of a decision tree allows for easy visualization and interpretation of the decision-making process. It can help identify patterns, classify data, and predict outcomes. Imagine a scenario: you're deciding whether to go outside. The first question might be, is it raining? If the answer is yes, you might decide to stay in. If no, the next question could be, is it cold? Depending on the answer, you might choose to wear a jacket or a t-shirt. Each question leads to a new set of possibilities, a new branch in the decision tree. Building a decision tree involves several steps. First, pick the best attribute of your dataset. Consider it as the root of the tree. Next, each level of this tree iteratively splits the data into groups based on a certain condition. This repeats until one of the stopping criteria is met. All the data in a node belongs to a single type. There are no more attributes to split upon, or the tree has grown to a certain depth. Decision trees have several advantages. They are simple to understand and interpret. They require relatively little effort for data preparation, and they can handle both numerical and categorical data. However, decision trees are not without their flaws. They are prone to overfitting, especially when the tree is too complex. They can be unstable, as small variations in the data might result in a completely different tree being generated. And they are often biased towards the features with more levels. So, there you have it, the essence of decision trees. In summary, a decision tree is a machine learning model that uses a tree-like graph to make decisions. It's built through a process of splitting data based on certain conditions. While they have their pros and cons, they remain a powerful tool in the machine learning toolbox. Remember, every day is filled with decisions, whether it's choosing what to wear or deciding whether to go out. Just like in life, decision trees take a complex problem and break it down into smaller, manageable pieces. So the next time you're faced with a tough decision, why not try mapping it out? You might be surprised at what you find. Now, let's take a moment to see how decision trees can solve real-world problems. Imagine a company that wants to predict whether a customer is likely to buy a product or not. The decision tree for this problem might start with the root node. Has the customer bought before? If the answer is yes, the tree might branch off to the question, how often does the customer buy products? If no, it could lead to, has the customer visited our website recently? Each question forms a new branch, ultimately leading to a prediction, will buy or will not buy. This is a simple yet powerful demonstration of how decision trees can help us understand and solve complex problems. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into more complex examples. Stay tuned.